Hey folks, Ralph here with Stray Benz's mini episode today. By doing suspension work, I looked at a tie rod and the rubber boot was kind of dry rotted, but otherwise no play, still in good shape. And here's how you can fix those. See here, that's not gonna bode well. Water gets in it and they start corroding. Here's the part, brand new rubber boots for the tie rod ends, and here's how you fix that. Also a quick note about how to make sure that you don't bust this little tiny and very thin walled end of the tie rods. When you push with this tool or otherwise, you actually mushroom the thread and you will never be able to put the nut back on. So before we're trying to put this tool on under the car, you don't loosen this nut all the way out. Stop right there when it's flush with the end, and only then put this tool on, so this push arm pushes on the nut and not the end of the ball joint thread. That helps prevent for you to messing up that thread. Then you can take this back out and you can reuse the whole tie rod end. Whoever has busted the end and then as a result had to change the whole darn thing, I don't know about you, but I don't have extra money lying around. So the trick here is to get behind the old spring. Sometimes, as you can see here, not as easy as it could be. There we go. Some old grease that we're gonna clean out, put just a little bit more new grease back on, but this one is still in good shape, so we can put the new rubber boot back on once we clean it up and grease it. A little bit of grease. Make sure that it moves freely. More. There we go. Good. And here is the new rubber boot. It comes with the upper ring that you need to put in first. There you go. Put this one over the top. Make sure that you seat the rubber boot. Try to not use too many sharp tools around this. This ring here can be pretty tricky. Trying to get that started in the groove below the rubber boot. Use you can see this is not it is not all that easy trying to get this one started. Takes a little bit of finagling trying to get that one in and started like so. There we go. And now I'm gonna try just rolling that around, because once I have it started, I can finally put a little bit more pressure on this little thing here. And it just does not want to collaborate and cooperate. Doesn't help that my hands, as well as everything else, is full of grease. There we go. I just need to see where I got this one here. Oof. There we go. There we go. All right. Moves nicely. New fresh grease in there, and I can reuse this one for a couple of bucks rather than having to spend money on the whole shooting caboodle. That was it for today. Mini episode of fixing tie rod ends with new rubber boots, as long as the tie rod ends, the ball joints don't have play. Give the channel a like and talk to you soon.